Good morning to all of you. So first of all, extremely sorry for the inconvenience. Today the Hindu news analysis will not come because my paper uncle told me that today the Hindu will not come due to lockdown in Barasat. And so in the tomorrow two paper will come together. So I will make the video on tomorrow with the next day video. And also I have some announcement that's why I'm making this video. So these are the upcoming video schedule because as our prelims is approaching, so as you all know I am going to giving the prelims this time, and also this time I cannot continue the other videos because my prelims is approaching. So I have thought to make this type of video which will definitely helpful for both of us, like map practice, mock test solving tricks, and also the some topics like those are related to our prelims. So these are the schedule which I have made for all of you. So in this video I will announce those schedules. Number one, first of all, the Hindu news analysis article continues till 30th September. Stop from 1st October to 4th October. Resume after 5th October. That as you all know, our prelims is on 4th October. So I will stop it from 1st October to 4th October and will continue it after 5th October. But till now it will continue till the 30th September. Then come to the number one, that means the today's video will be the 25th July 2020, how to practice map. Then the next video topic will be the Sunday motivational, as you all know. Then the 28th July first Q&A session. The reason of the starting this session, that means the Q&A session, because I got many queries in the comment section and also in the Telegram, because it's not possible to replying all the comment and replying all the queries in the Telegram because I have to study 10 to 12 hours, and after that I have to make the videos for all of you. So that after doing this I have to take almost 14 hours, because after giving 14 hours I need some rest also. So it's not possible to give the each and everyone reply. So that's why I thought to continue this session, the Q&A session. In this Q&A session I will replying all of your queries which I got in the comment section. Then come to the 30th July map practice class 1, 10 topic or 10 places. Then the 1st August how to solve MCQ tricks. Then the 2nd August how to start meditation. This is the very important topic at this moment as our prelims is approaching, so you need much concentration. So I thought to make this video. Then come to the 4th August, important topic from polity and culture for the prelims 2020. So this topic is also for the prelims 2020. Then the 6th August map practice class 2, here is also the 10 places. Then the 8th August mock test solving class 1, 20 questions with tricks and tips. That means I will solve the 20 questions and I will analyze the how I solve these questions, right? So this will help you to understand. Then come to the 9th August second Q&A session, replying the comment that I have already told. Then the 11th August, important topic from economy and modern history for the prelims 2020. Then 13th August, map practice class 3, here is also the same 10 places. Then 15th August, some Independence Day special. Then 16th August, third Q&A session from the comment. 18th August, mock test solving class 2, 20 question again. Then 20th August, important topic from geography and environment for prelims 2020. Then 22nd August, important topic from science and technology for prelims 2020. Then the 23rd August, fourth Q&A session. Then 25th August, mock test solving class 3, that means here also 20 questions. Then 27th August, map practice class 4, 10 places. Then 29th August, important topic from economic survey and budget for prelims 2020. Then 30th August, Sunday motivational. In September we'll continue the Hindu news and also the 4 Q&A session on the only Sunday night. That means in the September you will get the morning in the Hindu 2-minute series, the important article, and also only on Sunday night I will make the Q&A session. Those comment I will get in 1 week I will cover in the Sunday Q&A session. So in the September you will get the each and every The Hindu news analysis and also 4 Q&A session, not other videos because my prelims is approaching on the 4th October. So after prelims, normal schedule as per your demand. So that's it for today's announcement. So I hope this video will definitely helpful for all of you to understand or to know the things which I have made for all of you. So thanks for watching. Take care. Goodbye.